Alright guys, real quick one for you. I'm out here with my custom Grand Power Stribog. I'll try to make a video with this by itself. I've got an inlet we trust 3-lug barrel. It's SBR and it's got the lingual scorpion lower. And shooting it today with our modular 9mm suppressor in the full configuration. And heads up, I've started a new build on a Form 1 suppressor. I'm going to make like a Omega 9K clone, but Form 1 style. It'll be a 5-inch can, a little longer than an Omega, but working with what I got, so look forward to that. Sorry about the sun and all that. The sun's coming down. I just ran out real quick with my shorts, so bear with me. Alright. Then we'll try to get the frame. Yeah, quiet. Dirt. Dirt. All right. She's quiet as ever. It's the modular 9mm can in the full configuration. Stay with us for that 5-inch Omega 9K build I'm talking about. I've already submitted for the stamp. Shouldn't be. They've been coming back within, say, 18 days to 20 days, so that's what I'm hoping for. But I'll keep y'all updated.